Here's a view from the lakeside of this remarkable park office. Judging from the size of the bathhouse, which it was before it became a park office, this park must have been busy with swimming. That's gone now, of course, as in most of the parks. This is the view of Lake Juniper from just behind the park office. Look at that. And there's the fleet of rental boats, largely kayaks, a few john boats and a few canoes, but 16 kayaks. Over there, a nice swing to sit, and over in this direction, a playground for the younger children. Here's the boat dock shelter where we did the interview with park manager Mr. Mark Davies during the last visit. What a nice place to have a picnic. I imagine they use it a lot for that here, because look at this. You're right on the shore of the lake with a great view. And even a little boardwalk down here where you can look at the shoreline. I'd hoped to walk further along this trail today, but the wind is kicking up. Maybe the NOAA emergency radio was correct. We're going to have some rain. Don't want to get this camera wet. Here's a little breeze coming across the lake. It's about to rain. Don't have whitecaps yet, but will soon.